Now, Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, on this Wednesday, it's pretty hot and sticky out there today. We have 93 at Beeville right now to 87 degrees at Port Aransas, Corpus Christi at 92, and that heat index at 101. So we're back to this again. We only had that one-day break yesterday when our humidity dropped and our temperature came down a little, and we're right back into that summer heat. Now, the winds are the reason for this. They did shift back around to the southeast. If you'll remember, they were north and then northeast. Now that south-southeast wind is kicking up. In fact, we have a 20-mile-an-hour wind in Robstown, and that's bringing in the humidity. That wind is going to pick up a little bit more tomorrow to 22 miles an hour, and then very gusty Friday and windy throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours behind the front that goes through and changes our winds to the north. It's going to be a quick change Friday from summer heat to fall-like temperatures by Friday night. So that's the transition day, and then Saturdays are a very nice mild day with that north wind before the winds shift around again Sunday. So that more moisture in the air is going to keep our temperatures from cooling tonight. Our lows tonight only drop into the upper 70s to near 80 right at the coastline, mid 70s inland tonight. Corpus Christi 77 tonight and a high tomorrow of 94 degrees. Yes, that's going to be a sticky day tomorrow as we see those temperatures up to 96 inland and near 90 at the beaches, and that heat index as high as 104 degrees in the afternoon. That's what it's going to feel like with that breeze increasing and those temperatures rising. So much of the afternoon we're in the low to mid 90s. So yeah, that's the way it's looking ahead of the front, but take a look at the change behind it. This is the air that's coming in our direction, and that is of course not going to be that cold. It'll modify, but it'll certainly bring our temperatures down as it moves in. A look at that with Future Tracker. This is going from Thursday night into Friday morning. Friday morning there may be a couple of stray showers around the area, but the actual front and the rain with it is going to hold off until late morning to early afternoon. This model showing by noon Friday that rain just starting to move in. Showers and a few thunderstorms are possible with this as they move through the area by mid-afternoon. And then you can see, yeah, that's good news for the high school football games. We'll hope that the timing continues like this, because if this is correct, and it has been looking like the front's going to go through early afternoon, which means we should dry out before the high school games Friday evening, but you will notice the dropping temperatures and the wind for those games as well. Not a lot of rain with this front, moves through pretty quick, so we're talking anywhere from 0 to 4/10 of an inch of rain. In fact, this is showing Corpus Christi at about 1/3 of an inch, slightly higher totals up the coastline. So the rain, it's going to be pretty sparse with this system. Dew points, we are going to see a big change in our air. You talk about going from sticky, look at those dew points in the 70s. What does that mean? It means it's very humid, almost to oppressive tomorrow. But here comes the front. Friday morning, it's still going to be very humid, but watch that front as those dew points drop and clears the area. It's going to be nice dry air through Saturday, but as we get into Sunday, the air starts to turn back around, and here we go again. That humidity starts to climb. So a look at the weekend as a whole. Sunday's the warmer day, and we start to see the humidity returning later in the day, but overall very nice weather. We could have a stray shower Sunday. Saturday, that very mild air and cool in the morning Saturday. We're talking upper 50s. Here is your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop your AutoNation lot near you. So the temperatures come down this Friday. This 87's early in the day. They fall. We see that rain moving out Friday night, leaving us with quite a few clouds though early Saturday and a mild weekend ahead. Next week we start to see the heat return. Our next cold front moves through next Wednesday.